Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to naturally increase glutathione. First, focus on your diet. Eating sulfur-rich foods like garlic, onions, and broccoli provides essential building blocks. Also, incorporate selenium from sources such as Brazil nuts, which offer about 60 to 90 micrograms per nut, and vitamin C from citrus fruits. These nutrients are crucial for glutathione synthesis and recycling, helping your body produce more of this vital antioxidant. Next, focus on the amino acid precursors. Glutathione is made from 3 amino acids: cysteine, glycine, and glutamine. You can boost these by consuming high-quality protein sources like lean meats, eggs, and dairy. Whey protein, for example, is particularly rich in cysteine. Some people also find N-acetylcysteine, or NAC, to be a very effective supplement for directly supporting glutathione production. Beyond diet, your lifestyle plays a significant role. Regular exercise, such as 30 minutes of moderate activity most days, can enhance your body's antioxidant defenses. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly, as this is when your body repairs and regenerates. Additionally, managing stress through techniques like meditation or deep breathing can prevent glutathione depletion, supporting overall cellular health. Finally, support glutathione with key antioxidant cofactors. Alpha-lipoic acid, found in spinach and red meat, helps regenerate glutathione. Magnesium, abundant in leafy greens and nuts, is essential for many enzymatic reactions, including those involving glutathione. Some individuals also find benefits from herbs like milk thistle, which supports liver health and, consequently, glutathione levels, helping your body maintain its protective capacity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.